And currently, the PRI have its own four training courses. We have the refresher training course, fundamental training course, capacity development training course, and supervisory and management or managerial training course. So isa-isahin po natin ang mga training course ni PRI. The refresher training course, it is conducted by the institute to enhance the knowledge and skills and attitude or the KSA of our railway workers, the operations and maintenance existing, ano? So we have this existing railway operations and maintenance. Later po, i-discuss po natin the qualification of this training course para po ma-distinguish natin the difference of the training course and their qualification. For the fundamental training course, this is a training conducted or offered to the newly hired railway personnel to provide an industry level knowledge, skills, and attitude. Consists of the core competency, departmental, and the specialized competency. For capacity development training course, this is offered by the Institute to update the railway personnel on new laws, regulations, technologies, and other latest trends in the rail sector. This is being offered to our railway workers 5 years after being certified in the PRI. For the supervisory or management training course, ito po yung course offered to those personnel with supervisory and management functions.